What's up friends, this is top 10 genius Naruto characters. In Naruto world have a lots of best characters, it's very hard to choose top characters. In this list of characters are smarts and their knowledge of battle are remarkable. They won most of fight only using their knowledge of battle. So friends, write and comment who is your favorite genius and let's get started. Number 10. Neji Hyuga. Neji is the only one in his class to become a Chunin and also known by a genius. Neji is the highly intelligent, most talented and strongest of the Hyuga's clan member. He was highly aware of his blind spot. He think of many ways to beat his opponent and he had to learn all his skill by himself. He mastered one of most rare skill of his clan and even he surpassed Hyuga's clan leader Higashi Hyuga in his young age. Number 9. Sasuke Uchiha. Sasuke is extremely intelligent because he fast calculation in battling, like when he fought Itachi at their final battle, and also he copied Rock Lee's taijutsu to counter Gaara's sand. Well, Sasuke's goals are great, and when he fights, he always knows how to move, acknowledge his opponent quickly. All his fights have just been amazing to watch. He is a great ninja by overall strength and power. Number 8. Orochimaru. The legendary Sannin is one of the brightest and most intelligent character in the Naruto. Orochimaru the genius became the greatest scientist Leaf ever had. He deceived living crop, reincarnation, to achieve the purpose of immortality. He is a master of Servajutsu with his Chunin sense and he is a brilliant mind. He was able to survive through the series.
Now that all of us here have been revived, at nearly our original power, this reanimation jutsu of yours will not...
Number 7. Tobirama Senju. The second Hokage was the founder of Ninjutsu. Tobirama is a strategy genius who doesn't take a risk and who does not strike an opponent when he does not have a 100% chance of victory. He is a master of the counter-attack, making correct calculation and detection during the battles. His analytical thinking possesses could be considered one of the best in the Naruto. Number 6. Shikamaru Nara.
Not that again.
Shikamaru Nara is a lazy genius, battle genius, and strategist. He is a character who is able to make quick and effective plan in little time or no time. He always thinks 3 moves ahead. He was able to form plan, make a huge damage to his opponent without no proper knowledge of their strength and jutsu. He is believed to be a genius whose IQ is over 200. And he has proved himself to more than 100 plans for each scenario.
Amazing. He was thinking 3 moves ahead all along.
As I said, that's Shikamaru's strength.
Amazing. This slacker clown outsmarted me.
The copy ninja Kakashi Hatake. I am honored to meet you.
Number 5. Kakashi Hatake. Kakashi Hatake, also known as the Kakashi of the Sharingan and copy ninja Kakashi from Hidden in a Leaf. He was graduated from academy at the young age of 5 and became a Chunin at the age of 6. Also he attained the rank of Chunin at a little age of 12 became the first person to achieve that feat in the Leaf Village. He is a genius tactic with a highly battle intelligence and great interpersonal skill. He gained a great reputation for himself all over the ninja world.
It vanished? Am I too late?
Number 4. Minato Namikaze. The 4th Hokage was known as a Yellow Flash. Minato is quick at everything. He is able to think very fast and deduce his opponent's move, formulating a counter strategy within a flash. He was regarded as a brightest student of his generation. He was able to develop technique like Rasengan and Flying Rajin, the teleportation jutsu.
Well, Minato, it seems you're as fast as ever.
Number 3. Madara Uchiha. Madara is the strongest Uchiha leader, the first shinobi who awakened internal Mangekyo Sharingan. He used Obito as a pawn for the bring back himself after death. He almost wiped out shinobi forces single-handedly, and even 5 Kage no chance to stand against him. During 4th Ninja War, Madara observed Tainter's power and became a sage of 6 path and possessed Venus Sharingan and cast Infinite Tsukuyomi. It is an illusion that traps the entire world into Genjutsu.
Shine upon the world. Infinite Tsukuyomi.
Now, signs are...
Number 2. Itachi Uchiha. Itachi Uchiha should probably be the smartest and most intelligent character in the Naruto. A master planner and king of prediction. His fight with Sasuke was made based on the full leader's plan and prediction, and everything went well according to his forecast. He was believed to be a genius who was a mind and intelligence of a Hokage at a very young age. Even Obito declared 4th Ninja War after Itachi died, because he knew that only one person can stop him is Itachi Uchiha.
Itachi Uchiha. He's clearly very different than all the others. He resisted the reanimation juice.
Wrong again. My will is... wrong, Madara. You are not the savior.
Number 1. Black Zetsu. He has a more than 1000 years of old and he has a photographic memory. He manipulated the entire Uchiha clan, Akatsuki and even Madara. Zetsu is a weak in power. That's why he needs people work for him to bring his mother back. But I'm sure he's the smartest Naruto character ever. He knows everything. He's a mastermind of the entire Naruto series. He's a Kishimoto in the Naruto. Black Zetsu created the entire story of Naruto to his will.
They're turned into White Zetsu. What's left of those who were under the previous Infinite Tsukuyomi. That's what White...
Okay then, these are smartest and genius characters, but real genius is this guy, Masashi Kishimoto, the creator of Naruto. So thanks to him who gave us this incredible Naruto series.
Amaterasu.
So friends, write down in comment below who is your favorite genius, and finally, thanks for watching.